Eyes have not seen, ears have not heard, oh, what the Lord is about to do for me. Eyes have not seen, ears have not heard, oh, what the Lord is about to change in my life. Eyes have not seen, ears have not heard, oh, what the Lord is about to do in me. Eyes have not seen, ears have not heard, oh, what the Lord is about to do.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some fried rice, which cost me £8.82 to make without all the condiments used and the oil. Please check out all the ingredients, which will be listed in the description bar below. We're going to start off by removing the skin from our drumsticks and cutting them into small pieces. The sizing should be this small. Once you've chopped up your chicken, we're going to head on to clean it with some vinegar and water. Drain the water from the chicken and pat dry. Right, now that your chicken is clean, let's season. We're going to go in with some Raja garlic, white pepper, fish sauce, dried parsley, liquid maggi, dark soy sauce, and some jumbo. I thoroughly mix the seasoning into the chicken. Next, we're going to fry the chicken until it's a brown color, like so. Moving on to our king prawns, we're going to clean it with some vinegar and water. Proceed to season with the exact same seasoning as the chicken. Now ensure to mix. Once you're done with that, we're going to fry our king prawns until they're golden brown. Make sure to flip them on the other side. Right, we're going to add a tiny bit of oil into the wok in order for us to fry our smoked turkey. This is a great alternative for those who don't eat pork, but if you do eat pork, feel free to add your pork in now. Fry until it's cooked and it looks like this. Moving on to our vegetables, I'm going to be using carrots, which I'm about to peel, some onions, chilies, and also some garlic and sweet corn. Chop up your carrots however way you choose. I just decided to chop mine slanted. Moving on to your onions, peel and slice them into small pieces. Next, we're going to peel and chop up 2 cloves of garlic. Now I'm going to be using 1 chili. Yeah, just slice that up as well. Once you've chopped up your vegetables, you're going to fry them in the wok. Now let's move on to our seasoning. Now we're going to add some garlic, some black pepper, some parsley, and then give it a good stir. Time to add in one of the most important ingredients, and that is oyster sauce. Once you've given it a good stir, we're going to proceed with adding our rice into the wok. Once you've added some of the rice in, we're going to go in with some garlic, some black pepper, some jumbo, and some soy sauce. Now, once you've done that, you're going to add some more rice on top of it and give it a good stir. Now we're going to add the most valuable player in this recipe, and that is your flavor enhancer. Without this, your fried rice is nothing. So don't forget to add this in. Once your rice is well coated, you're going to proceed to add all your meats into the rice and give it a good stir. The last thing I'm going to add is my sweet corn, because I don't like my sweet corn being overcooked, but it's up to you. Voila, your fried rice is ready and can be served. You can garnish this with some spring onions. Bon appetit!